Well, this week's economic calendar will be headlined by the release of China inflation and May trade data. In addition, investors will eye South Korea's unemployment rate, Japan's March quarter GDP revision, and India's consumer inflation data. Persistent deflationary pressures have dragged China's inflation lower in recent months. That trend is expected to continue in May. The inflation is expected to remain largely unchanged from April 0.1% on year reading. For China's trade, recent forecasts have been tinged with higher than normal uncertainty amid tariff volatility. Markets are looking for export growth to moderate slightly to 6.3%, which would remain a respectable growth rate. That is broadly in line with the year-to-date growth, with imports expected to remain in the negative of the month. The slowdown of imports and resilience of exports has helped China's trade supplies expand further year-to-date. The unemployment rate in South Korea is expected to have risen modestly to 2.8% in May from 2.7% in April. This is mainly due to the scaling down of the public work program amid the political confusion. Japan's first quarter GDP revision data will be released this week. A modest upward revision is expected thanks to solid business investment. However, the economy is still expected to contract by minus 0.1% quarter-on-quarter. At the Reserve Bank of India's surprise jumbo rate cut on Friday, investors will focus on consumer price inflation data this week. India's easing inflation trend is likely to continue. The disinflation momentum is forecast to continue. Consumer price pressures likely ease further to 3% in May. Both food and fuel prices continue to edge lower.